Aiden, eyes on me. Eyes on me.
Life comes at you fast, sometimes too fast. You can't always prevent mishaps, so count on the pros when things need fixing. From restoration and repair to complete replacement, the Glass Guru picks up the pieces when the unexpected happens. Whether it's windows, entrances, custom installs, or an in-glass door for your four-legged family member, you can count on simple solutions and expert services. Always hassle-free and affordable. With friendly, reputable services and a nationwide network, the Glass Guru is here every step of the way with a professional approach, endless options, and straightforward solutions that save you time and money. Wherever you are, the Glass Guru isn't far. Head to theglassguru.com or call to get started on your next project today.
Restore, repair, replace. The Glass Guru.